Well, good news, ladies and gentlemen. This is after I've run the tap in. It took a little bit of wiggle to get it to go in there and actually grip the first little bitty threads. And then I was able to get my vice grips on the thing and run it in a quarter turn at a time and back it off a little bit, run it back in, back it out a little bit, just to clean the threads up. And the carburetor kind of offers some resistance, but there's a dash pot back there. I don't know if you can see it. There's a dash pot back there that offered some resistance, but it was just it's as though there was just enough room designed in the problems that GM was facing in 1981, where they just included a way to repair that. There's probably a factory time on that. Pipe repair. I'm going to put the galvanized pipe in it, and then I'll be able to forget about this issue at least. I'll let you know. I'll put another one back to you, another video when I get done. Thanks for tuning in.